Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to lock Apple ID on iPhone. So, if you want to lock your Apple ID on your iPhone to make it inaccessible for anyone, like to make your Apple ID grey out so that no one will be able to log you out on your iPhone, this is what you need to do. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, the first thing you want to do is scroll down and then click on screen time. Scroll down screen time, locate and click on content and privacy restrictions. Then turn on content and privacy restrictions. After that, scroll down, locate account under allow changes to, and then click on it. Under account, set this to don't allow. Now go back to the main settings, then close the settings application, open it, then you should see your Apple ID name grayed out and no one will be able to access it or log you out on your iPhone. And that's it. If you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.